Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. It's nice to see you again in our course today. In this semester, we will talk about TEFL 3. For the first meeting, I will tell you about the differences between curriculum, syllabus, and a lesson plan. I hope that you would watch this very carefully because it will tell about what curriculum is, syllabus is, and also lesson plan means. Watch this video carefully. I will start with what the definition of curriculum. Curriculum could be the set of the courses and also the coursework, the content which is offered to or at a school or university. And you know, curriculum is also a focus of the study that comprises the various courses designed to reach particular competencies or qualification. A curriculum is also a defined and prescribed course of studies which the students must fulfill to pass a certain level of education. Based on Noonan, I could tell you that curriculum is a very general concept which involves the consideration of the whole complex of philosophical, social, and administrative factors which contribute to the planning of an educational program. Based on research and Platt, curriculum can be defined as an educational program with stage first as the educational purpose of the program. So it is said to be the ends. And the content, teaching procedures, and learning experience which will be necessary to achieve this purpose. So this could be as the means. And then some means for assessing whether or not the educational ends have achieved. And then another definition quoted from the curve, it could define that curriculum as all the learning which is planned and guided by the school, whether it is carried on in groups or individual, inside or outside the school. Now I would like to tell you that there are 4 ways of approaching curriculum theory and practice. Curriculum as a body of the knowledge to be transmitted. So this is about how we transfer, how we transmit the body of knowledge. The second one is dealing with the product, which is said as curriculum as an attempt to achieve the certain ends in students. So this is the product of the curriculum. And then the third one, curriculum as the process. And then the last one is curriculum as practice. Now we could see the picture here. So there are theoretical and then practical and productive. What about the theoretical? So theoretical, it's about the curriculum. And then for the practical, this is dealing with process and then the practice. And then the last one is productive. So productive as the product. What about the national curriculum? Based on the law of the Republic of Indonesia number 20, 2003 on the system of national education, it is stated that curriculum adalah seperangkat rencana dan pengaturan tentang tujuan, isi, dan bahan pelajaran serta cara yang digunakan sebagai pedoman penyelenggaraan kegiatan pembelajaran untuk mencapai tujuan pendidikan tertentu. So this is very important for us to understand about these rules, this law, that is stated dealing with our system of national education. That yes, curriculum is a set, of plannings that describe about the goal of learning, the content, also what is it? The ways that is used, as the guide for the teaching and learning activities to reach, of course, the certain learning or education. Okay, after we talk about the curriculum, so the second one is about the syllabus. What is syllabus? Okay, syllabus is simply the outline and the timeline of a particular course. Therefore, it will typically describes a brief overview of the course objective, course expectation, list of reading assignment, homework, and also the exam dates. Okay, based on Pennier, a syllabus is a document essentially consisting of lists. This list, of course, specifies all the things that are to be taught in the course. Okay, from understanding about the curriculum and also the syllabus, so we could see the differences between curriculum and the syllabus. Okay, the first one, when we talk about curriculum, curriculum is for a course, and then syllabus is for a subject. So this is something different. Curriculum is for a course, and then syllabus is for a subject. The second one is curriculum is the superset. What about the syllabus? Syllabus is the subset of the curriculum. So this is more specific rather than the curriculum. And then the third one is curriculum is the consideration of the objective, the contents, the method chosen to achieve the objective. And what about curriculum? Curriculum is the concept to be taught. Okay, the last part I would like to tell you is the lesson plan. What is the lesson plan? Okay, so a lesson plan is the teacher's detailed description of the course of instruction for one class. And then a daily lesson plan is of course developed by the teacher to guide class instruction. And then when we talk about the details of the lesson plan, so the details of the lesson plans is depending on the preference of the teachers, and then the subject being covered, and the need or the interest of the students. And also there may be requirement mandated by the school system regarding to the lesson plan. Okay, finally, what is a lesson plan? So a lesson plan is the teacher's guide for running a particular lesson, and therefore it includes the goal, what the students are supposed to learn, how the goal will be reached, which means the methods and the procedures we are going to use, and also a way of measuring how well the goal was reached. So this is dealing with the test, the worksheet, and also the homework, and so on. Okay, for sure that what you understand about what we have discussed, so I give you the references or the sources for you, to try to learn and also to practice, especially dealing with the concept of curriculum, syllabus, and also the lesson plan. Especially for the lesson plan, I will tell you more about what the lesson plan is, and also how we try to design a good lesson plan for you as the prospective teachers in the future. Okay, I think that's all for our today discussion, and I hope that you could understand and practice this more and more for you as you will be implementing your teaching, and then you will be using the curriculum, yeah, as your guide, yeah, to prepare, yeah, to provide, yeah, for your own teaching, as well as by understanding the syllabus and also the lesson plan. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.